Hello, fourth graders. We are going to get our very first journal entry in today in our writing notebook. So once again, keep that writing notebook handy. We are going to turn to the daily journal entries and mentor sentences section. It's only 5 pages in, and I believe the divider is yellow. So daily journal entries and mentor sentences. If you will turn that dividing page, you have 2 pages facing each other that are blank. What I want you to do when we do these journal entries is only write on this left side, and I want you to leave the right side for editing, revising, and a final draft. So only write on that left side. So what I would suggest you do if you have a spiral notebook, just go ahead and close it up so that all you can see is that left side. If you have a composition notebook, just remember, don't write on that right side because that's where we're going to be doing some of our editing, revising, and final draft work. All right, today I want to model for you how I want your journal entries to look. So the very first thing, I always want us to date our writing. That way we know, we can see the progression of our writing as we go throughout the year. So today's date is Monday, August 24, 2020. All right, and what I want us to always do again is write out what the prompt is. That way, if we were maybe kind of off task that day and our writing doesn't match up with the prompt, or we're just not sure what it was even supposed to be about, because sometimes we have off days and that's okay. We have the prompt up there. Or if you missed, or you had missed class that day, or you had to leave early, or fire drill, anything that could have happened. Fire drill at home, that would be kind of crazy. But anything that happens that just takes you away from your work, if you have that prompt written down, you're able to come back to it. So our prompt today, it's kind of a longer one. I will write it on my paper, but I'll also speak it as we're going. But our prompt today, I want you to write about what changes have you seen or experienced in your life since COVID-19? What changes have you seen or experienced in your life since COVID-19? So let's go ahead and write that out. What changes have you seen in your life since COVID-19? All right, so here's what I want you to do. I don't want you to write just a one-word answer or even incomplete sentences. I want you to find a timer. You could use your phone or your computer, a watch, a clock, the microwave timer, anything that'll set a timer for you, and I want you to set it for 10 minutes. My challenge to you is to write for the entire 10 minutes. We're going to work on building up our writing stamina, because when we get closer to the end of the year, we will be writing for much longer than 10 minutes. But we're going to start with 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys, it's going to go by so fast. It might seem like a long time, but it'll go by really fast, I promise. So what changes have you seen or experienced in your life since COVID-19? I want you to write down everything that has changed, and there has been so many things that are different. The fact that you are doing this assignment at home, online, is one huge change. So there's multiple things that have changed in your life since the beginning of COVID-19. So set a timer, and then I just want you to fill up this page as much as you can. 10 minutes of writing, and just write what you're thinking. Don't worry about misspelling words, because we can come back and edit and revise it. I just want you to get your thoughts down on paper. 10 minutes, and then you can close up your journal. That is all we have for our journal entry for today. Have fun with this one, guys. See you later.